Hello, this is Byron. I'm highly motivated right now because something happened in the stock market that has really proven what I've been trying to tell you guys. Do not get greedy, buy low, sell high, and timing is everything. And today, there's a couple of stocks I want to look at to show you exactly what happened today in the stock market, why it really is helping out what I'm trying to preach to you about the stock market. So I'm not going to continue to talk to you about me. I'm going to get right to the point. But one thing I want you to do is, if you got any questions, just ask me. Leave it, put it on the comments, because that's the only way I'm going to learn, and that's the only way you're going to learn. I will answer your comments because this is a teaching moment when it comes to the stock market for the beginning traders. For the beginning traders, my stock strategy is short term. I'm a short term investor, not long term, not a dividend investor. So let's get to the screen. I'm going to show you, give you some examples of what I'm talking about. Please stay with me. Okay, the screen is right next door, not that far. Okay, stay with me. Okay, the stock I'm looking at is this one right here, QUBT. And that's the name right there, Quantum Computing. And the stock went up 8.89. The stock went up 8.89 today. And that's very interesting because that stock has some good news on it. They're going to news down there just to show you where it says the news. And when the stock goes up that high, look at the news and see why. It could be the target price then went up. It could have been they made a big deal with the company. They could have merged with somebody. It could be anything. Okay? But I want to take you to the interesting part today. The Dow Jones. I told you how powerful the Dow Jones is. It went down 1.123 to round off. And the NASDAQ went down too. And the S&P 500 went down. But yet this stock went up because of the news. And look at the volume. Stay with me here. Look at the volume. The 10-day volume is 50.184. Today's volume is, let's bring it over here, the volume, 230.707. It went up, it quadrupled today in volume. See, that affects stock. Stocks will go up when volume jumps like that. It's a rarity, the volume would jump like that, but you can see for yourself today it did. And that's just the way it is. And today's date, to let you know what date we're looking at, December 18th, 2024. And the stock market just closed. Now let's look at the day of how that particular stock went. Okay. Between early trading and open, that's right here at 8 o'clock, 8:30, it didn't do that much. And then all of a sudden, excuse my language, I have a cold. And then it jumped. You can see where it jumped. You can look at the lines where it jumped right here. You made some money. Then it went back down and then went up. You can see that's why I'm saying buy low, sell high, and timing is everything. Now, it went up 8 points today, but if you would have sold it when it went up right here, this is my strategy, and I made some money doing this. When it shot up right here, when the first time it shot up big, after I looked at the news, I sold it and I made my money. And that's why I say timing is everything. Now, the stock itself at 25.68 went up 8.89 today. But look at extended hours after close. It's starting to go back down. And that's why I've been preaching to you and telling you, you got to sell the stock once you make your goal right here. Say your goal was to sell it at 25. You would have made your money, and you wouldn't have lost the money in after hours because you did not get greedy. Okay? I just want to emphasize that. Now, while I'm on the page, I'm going to show you a couple of things what the stock market, what the stock company does for you. Okay? It sets up your account. Beautiful. Now, if you want to wire money in to get extra buying power, it's all set up right here. Okay? When you buy and sell, right there trading, it gives you markets and ideas, and it gives you planning too, to get a plan for what type of stock you want. And then it tells you what this particular company offers. All companies do this. Okay, it got the U.S. markets, the global markets, of course, news and stocks. And if you're an options trader, it got you set up for that right there. Okay, mutual funds, it got you set up, ETFs, futures, bonds, everything, knowledge, everything. Okay, one thing I want to show you, and I've been telling you this, the buy price is always 90% low, 99.9% time lower than the sell price, because you can look at the buy price right here. I'm sorry, the bid price. I said buy. The bid price. The bid price is 23.35. Okay, the ask price is 23.38. If you notice, it's always higher. You go to any stock, and to buy the stock costs you more than selling the stocks. The bid is when you sell it. The ask is when you buy the stock. This is something I do every single day. Okay, now this is just one stock, because I don't want to confuse you and go, show you a bunch of stocks. It gets very confusing. Okay, let me come back to me. Now, follow those 3 rules and I think you'll be successful. The stock market is better than any business or any job. You don't have to pay no overhead. I'm giving you advice because I lost money in the stock market, big time money, when I was young. And I say this on all my videos, and I'm doing it the right way. I'm showing you how to make money. You have to listen to me. There's a lot of stock people or stock brokers that know a lot more than I do range-wise, like long-term, the mathematical part. They know a little bit more than I do. But when it comes to short-term, I'm a master at that. I make money every day doing this, and I'm going to continue, but I want you to take this journey with me and make some money too. Like I said, I took you inside the stock market today. I might do it tomorrow to show you what's going on and how companies work, how you make money on a particular stock. Before you buy your first stock, that's the most important thing. You got to look at certain things. I'm going to emphasize this one more time. I know the video is shaking here because I'm excited. You got to look at the volume. You have to look at what the analysts say. You got to look at the news. You got to look at I said the volume. You got to look at how it been trending during the day. Is it going up, down, up, down, up, down? And where is it when the news hit? What time did the news hit? What time did that stock start to take off to go up? And you got to remember in your mind, in your head, I'm shaking the video, I'm sorry, that stock will go back down. Don't think, and this is the problem everyone has. They start to think that stock is going to keep going up. It's not. Take your money and run. I'm going to say it again. Take your money and run. It's a way that you can support your family doing this. It's a way you could quit your job if you do it the right way. This is big. This is very, very big. I'm telling you. And I keep shaking the video. I'm sorry, because I'm so excited. But the most important thing is, if you got any questions about short-term investing, comment me. Send comments so I can answer those questions to help you. That's all I want to do. And I'm going to end this video by telling you that I'm going to make another video in a couple of days. I'm going to take you in the stock market, why it's trading at that particular time, to show you exactly what you're going to be looking at when you purchase your first stock. Okay? This is Byron. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, because we need to get more people in the stock market, because it's the way to make money, big money. Thank you, and have a nice day.